In this video, we are going to talk about the best ways to buy gold online in 2022. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Are you looking for recommendations for the greatest gold buying sites or the finest gold coin and gold bullion websites? Thousands of individuals search every day to buy gold online. And with so many places to buy gold coins and gold bullion online, how can you know which gold websites to trust? Some gold coin websites are genuine, while others are not. We've compiled a comprehensive list of the best websites for buying and selling gold coins online, and gold bullion. What you should know before purchasing gold coins online. The gold and silver markets have exploded in popularity during the last few years. Economic stability is more vulnerable than ever before to external forces, thanks to a faster-paced culture and a more integrated global economy. For example, a strike in China may damage the currency, and political unrest in Europe has an impact on our economy. The value of the dollar rises because people believe the United States is doing well, regardless of whether or not this is true. It has to do with faith and trust. Nonetheless, financial investment in gold retains an intrinsic worth that is unrelated to a government's actions or economic policies. Today, a gold coin is worth its weight in gold and keeps its value better than many other commodities. Gold bullion is popular among individuals who know what they're doing. Why do individuals invest in precious metals and coins, other than the comparatively constant prices of bullion compared to paper currency and other commodities? Internationally recognized value. Gold is gold, and its price is the same all across the world. The stock is worthless if the market crashes. Bullion, on the other hand, can rescue you. Paper money may lose its value in the blink of an eye. Metal, on the other hand, cannot be said in the same way. A golden dollar can be traded with no matter where you are in the world. Some people may not even know what a dollar is. They do, however, understand gold. Alternatives to StockShare can also be found in another post. Survivability. You can always rely on gold to stay intact in the event of a crisis or conflict. Unlike paper, which may burn, shred, or degrade, it does not discolor or weaken. A gold hoard that was buried 5,000 years ago can still be found and be worth something. It's important not to lose track of it. Portability. Even in little quantities, gold and bullion are valuable. You can buy a vacation with an ounce of gold, and it can be hidden in your pocket. So, how do you obtain your gold and bullion in the 21st century? The internet offers a rapid and secure option to purchase gold bullion. Because quality and security are crucial, here is a list of the top best places to buy gold online. Number 9. Metals.com. This is the greatest online gold store. Metals.com's verdict, consumer participation and service are important to this industry leader. There's no doubt that they're committed to going above and beyond to ensure customer satisfaction. However, they also provide extremely reasonable costs in the rare earth element market, so potential customers won't have to worry about sacrificing excellent service in exchange for high-quality products. You can have them both with Metals.com. To put their customers' minds at ease, the sites also provide guaranteed authenticity and shipment. Number 8. Schiff Gold. Schiffgold.com is online gold bullion and gold coin retailer that combines reasonable pricing with excellent service. The professionals and experts at Schiffgold.com strive to educate and suggest everyone. Because of its affiliation with economic gurus and influencers, Pete Schiff, the online gold dealer, is a favorite among investors. Experts on the internet sell and buy precious metals, with a guarantee on the rate and purity of each item offered. Alternatives to ice films can also be found in another post. They employ a personalized interaction with financiers in addition to this standard technique. It is because of this distinction that they have risen to the top of our list of the top 10 places to buy or sell gold online. Number 7. Golden Eagle Coins. This is also a good site to acquire gold via the internet. Evaluation of Gold Eagle Coins. GoldenEagleCoin.com, another old-timer still running strong, specializes in selling gold and silver coins, particularly dollars. They offer bullion and precious metals as well, but they want to stay on top of emerging developments. Their website is updated on a regular basis with current rates and international developments. You could do a lot worse than looking at this Washington, D.C. behemoth if you're looking for a solid and dependable partner who has weathered the test of time. Number 6. Monex Precious Metals. Monex.com, an ancient gamer, has been there for 50 years and is still going strong. They specialize in the purchase and sale of bullion and rare earth elements. Their most valuable assets are their dependability and credibility. They hope to build long-term connections with intelligent financiers by utilizing their clients' relevant market information. This is why their dealers go to great lengths to educate and enlighten their customers. Number 5. Gold Silver. This is yet another site that takes pleasure in its job as an educator. Mike Maloney, a well-known precious metal advisor, launched goldsilver.com. His best-selling book on rare earth components of financial investing remains one of the finest. This is a true professional who takes the time to study the nuances of the business. The site provides users with access to a specialized team of professionals who will watch out for their best interests, informing and advising them on current market trends and predictions. This group of internet gold dealers puts a lot of effort into studying, which is why many specialists turn to them when they're looking for a competitive advantage. Number 4. SD Bullion. Another great place to purchase gold online is this one. Evaluation of SD Bullion. This is another newcomer to the market. The company was formed in 2011 by two medical experts who wanted to educate people about the value of silver. You may also read about the finest kick alternatives in another article. They developed a corporation that has swiftly risen to prominence as a big player. Nothing fancy, just a phone chat and affordable costs. Their tagline reads, "Medical experts, without a doubt, keep their promises." Over 300,000 orders have been delivered so far. In a surprisingly short period, they managed to make Hit Inc. publication's list of the 500 fastest growing firms. It's happened twice. They promise the lowest possible gold and silver bullion prices. They also acquire from private persons at a reasonable price. When you add in a strong desire to educate the public on the basics of gold and silver financial investing, it's easy to see why they're so popular. Number 3. Bullion Vault. Bullion Vault Assessment, bullionvault.com, the world's largest online gold investing business, need no introduction to any investor who has ever dealt with metal. They give financiers a quick and easy way to browse the professional bullion market and offer discounted rates on buying and selling bullion storage, whether silver or gold. This is a massive gamer with vaults in London, Zurich, and Singapore, among others, and it manages $2 billion in bullion for 70,000 financiers. Due to the cheap insurance and storage costs of their rare earth elements, these serious investors flock to them. Number 2. JM Bullion. This Texan bullion dealer is noted for its straightforward approach to selling metal. Founded in Dallas, jmbullion.com has swiftly risen through the ranks to become a popular choice among investors and buyers. They have a large inventory and deliver on schedule. Security is always a concern with any sort of transaction, especially when done online, and this company recognizes that. They'll make certain that everything runs smoothly. You may rest assured that your bullion will be in your vault at the end of the transaction if you use them. In the coin service, this is a major gamer. It is one of the country's major bulk coin and bullion dealers. The BBB has given them an A+ rating, indicating that they are a reliable business partner. They keep enormous inventories and ship and deliver on schedule. They take pride in their dependability and honesty, which you will appreciate. You may also rest certain that they go above and above by double-checking all of their shipments before delivering you your gold. Number 1. Money Metals Exchange. MoneyMetals.com, which was founded in 2010, has quickly come to popularity as a vendor and instructor for numismatic enthusiasts. They're a key dealer and influencer in the world of numismatics, with over 75,000 customers and a majority of 1 million readers and subscribers, delivering quality at low prices and carving out a large niche in the internet gold market. The gold coins you buy from MoneyMetals.com will reflect and stay close to their melt value. Other numismatics merchants, on the other hand, tend to inflate the intrinsic worth of their coins. Have you ever used any of these platforms? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.